We're here at the Pathways program, personal and professional development seminar for kids that are aging out of the foster care systems.
We connect them with mentors, we build a network, we practice various life skills, professional development skills.
MGM and UNLV partnered to start the Pathways program, and they asked me to come in as a partner. And being adopted myself and being able to show my story and just tell it, I feel like I've been able to relate to these kids at a deep level.
It kind of was an eye-opener for me in learning how to invest in myself.
They teach you financial awareness, interview skills, how you carry yourself in a professional manner.
The most valuable things that I learned in this program was how to communicate better.
I feel very confident with any interview that I go to.
This program was helpful.
I feel that everybody should be a part of the program.
It really makes me realize that what we're doing is valuable. The world is the oyster for these youth.
To see the smiles, it's been really fun to watch.